So this is the BOYUER armrest height and length extensioner, which is exactly what it sounds like it does. It feels great in the car, and in this video I'll show you how to install it. First, you need to remove these 4 Phillips head screws, and once you take those out, remove that plastic cover. So once those 4 screws are removed, that plastic piece comes right off. And to install this, there's a little plastic edge or lip on the end of the armrest. You have to slide that little lip and make sure it goes underneath the OEM armrest. Make sure it looks like this. And then next, all you have to do is just put that plastic cover piece back on and install those 4 screws and you're done. And that's it for this video. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy this product on Amazon. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments down below. And thank you for watching.